So I bought a Gaspro Quick Connect propane line from Amazon for like 28 bucks so that I can replace this hose, which comes with the fire pit that you have to connect to a propane tank. And I can use this to connect directly into my Quick Connect from my travel trailer. Will make it a lot easier. And I bought an 18-footer so I can get it quite a bit away from my trailer. So first thing I had to do was cut this, which I already did. Comes right off there. Loosen that up. Take that off there. So here's the hose. Looks like it's got a cover for the Quick Connect. This part goes directly into your trailer. As you can see, these are the same. Looks like it's on there. I'm just gonna go ahead and put this back on for the heck of it. Why not? Can't hurt. Well, let's go test it out. And there you have it. As you can see, my Quick Connect for the propane line is in the back of my trailer. So having an 18-foot hose makes it convenient so I can take my fire pit well out there.